Good morning children. Now I am going to take EVS subject for second standard, second term portion children. In unit 3, we are going to see the topic name is our society. Okay. In the last class we saw religious festival. What are religious festival? People used to celebrate their own gods and they distribute the dishes and share their joys among the relations and friends and neighbors. Religious festival, Deepavali, Pongal, Ramzan, Bakrid, Christmas, these are religious festival. National festival, we used to celebrate national festivals in national buildings. We hoist the national flag and salute the national flag. Okay. What are the name some national festivals? Independence Day, 26th January, Gandhi Jayanti, Children's Day. These are the national festival. Then we saw folk art, Silambam, Poikal, Gudare Atam, Gummi dances. These are the folk dances and folk arts. Then we saw the people who helps us to construct a building. Then conductor used to give ticket, driver used to drive the vehicles. This and all we saw in the last class. In the last class we saw this also. Will the object sink or float? Yes and answer. Last time I told you then do and answer. Now we are going to do and answer. Okay. See here. I am having some water in one container. First thing is leaf. I am going to drop the leaf. We are going to see whether the leaf float or sink. See here. The leaf is floating. Okay. See here. Because it is lightweight. Then I am having what next one? Plastic ball. So plastic ball I don't have. So I am putting plastic paper. See here. This is also floating. Okay. Next thing is pencil. See here. I am dropping a pencil. See here pencil. See here. Pencil is floating. Okay. See, it's not going inside. See here. See here. Next one is eraser. See here. I am taking an eraser. I am putting inside. Eraser sinks in the water. See here then stone. I am dropping a stone. This is also sinks in water. Then chalk piece I am taking. See here. Chalk piece I am dropping inside. Chalk piece also sinks inside the water. See here next is sharpener. Sharpener also sinks in water. Then see here key. Key. I am dropping inside. Keys also sinks in water. See here coin. 1 rupee coin. I am putting inside. Came down. Okay. It also sinks in water. Next paper. See here. I am putting. Paper is floating. Okay. Because it is lightweight. Now only see here. Do and answer. Now we did this one. Okay. Okay children, now all of you take your EVS classwork. Now we are going to see the question and answers. Name the following and circle the odd one. All of you take your classwork, EVS classwork. Take your EVS classwork, write Unit 3, Our Society. Roman letter 1. Name the followings. First one, N-A-M-E. Name and object that 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 sinks 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 in water WATER water. Any one you should write. Okay, name an object, only one object you can write. I am writing key. Second one, name an object that floats 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 in water. I am writing paper PAPER paper. Third one, name a person who helps to construct the building. NAME. Name a person. PERSON. Name a person who helps to construct the buildings. BUILDING. Carpenter, plumber, electrician, mason, all these persons used to help to construct the building. I am writing mason because mason is a main person. MASON. Mason. Okay children, write these three, name the following, write in your classwork and read. Next, Roman letter 2. Circle the odd one. First one, key. KEY. Key, chalk. CHALK. Chalk, coin. Coin and iron. See here, which one is different? Key, coin, iron are weight thing made of iron. This chalk is made of, see here. Okay. Then you circle the chalk. Then SOLDIER. Soldier, mason, carpenter, and plumber. Mason, carpenter and plumber are the person who helps to construct the house. But soldier guards our nation. So circle this soldier. Next one, leaf, plastic ball, paper and stone. See here, leaf, plastic ball, paper are lightweight things that floats in water, but stone is that sinks in water. So you circle the stone. Okay, this is Roman letter 2. Circle the odd one. Take a classwork, EVS classwork and write children. Next we are going to see the question and answer. Roman letter 3. Answer the followings. First one, what are the folk dances in Tamil Nadu? WHAT, what? ARERTHE, the FOLK, folk dances. DANCES, dances in Tamil Nadu. TAMIL NADU. Answer. Say, what are the folk dances? Karagatam, Oyilatam, Poikal Guduraiyatam, Silambatam. KARAGATTAM, Garagatam. Oyilatam, OYILATTAM, Oyilatam. Poikal Guduraiyatam, POI, Poikal, KKAL, Poikal Kudirai, Poikal Guduraiyatam, ATTAM. The next one is Silambatam, SILAMBATTAM, Silambatam. Name some religious festival. NAME, name some. RELIGIOUS, name some religious festivals. FESTIVALS, name some religious festival. Say, what are the religious festival we celebrate? Deepavali, Pongal, Christmas, Ramzan. These are religious festival. Onam, DIWALI, Diwali. CHRISTMAS, Christmas. Onam, ONAM, Onam. Ramzan, RAMZAN, Ramzan. Names. Next one is name some, SOME, some national festivals. NATIONAL, national festivals. FESTIVALS, festivals. Answer. Independence Day, INDEPENDENCE, Independence Day. Day, Independence Day. Then Gandhi Jayanti, GANDHI, Gandhi Jayanti, JAYANTHI, Gandhi Jayanti and Republic Day. REPUBLIC, Republic Day. Okay, children, write these 3 question answers. What are the folk dances in Tamil Nadu? Karagatam, Oyilatam, Poikal Guduraiyatam, Silambatam. Name some religious festivals. Diwali, Christmas, Onam, Ramzan. Name some nation festivals. Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti and Republic Day. These children, take your classwork and write. It will be helpful for you to revise in the exam time. Match the following. First one, Independence Day. Next one is Gandhi Jayanti, Republic Day. Kartigai Deepam, DEEPAM, Kartigai Deepam. Next one is National Science Day. National Science Day, DAY, Day. See here. Full moon, Independence Day, 15th August. Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. National Science Day, February 28. Then Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26. January. January. See here, Independence Day, when we are celebrating on which day? 15th August. So, write here 1. Then Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. Then Republic Day, 26th January. So, write here number 3. Kartigai Deepam, it comes on full moon day. So, number 4. The National Science Day is celebrated on February 28. So, this is number 5. Okay, children, write. Take your EVS classwork and write. By this, we are finishing this lesson, Art Society. In the next class, we can see the next lesson. Okay, thank you, children.